Check them out, y'all. We just finished the Razor MX650, right? We just put on all the parts, make sure everything fit right. So now we just gotta Loctite everything down, make sure the screws won't shake off and stuff, right? So let me show y'all what we got. I'm gonna show y'all some of the pieces. Y'all already know what we got. But the RPM brakes, see the RPM racing brakes, they on there. We had to do a lot of rigging up and stuff like that, but we got them on there. You see that? They fitting on there perfectly. We got them on the back. There's still some things we need to do for the back to see if we could get it to mount down on there real good, but that's gonna be easy work. You see that? And we just got our sprocket. We got our sprocket, I think it was a couple of days ago because I wasn't here. And so when I came home, it was in the mail. So we got the sprocket from Midwest Mini Mods. You know what I'm saying? It was cool. I told them I need a sprocket. I can't find the right size sprocket to fit on their rims. So that's where we got our rims from. We got our rims from Midwest Mini Mods too. Yeah. And they shot us this sprocket. They said that sprocket go shoot right on there. It's a 62 sprocket and it's good. It's gonna be good to go. So we will take the tires off, take the rims off, take all that off. We will the brake disc, we will make sure we Loctite that on there. The brakes, we will make sure we Loctite all that stuff on there because while we hitting high speeds, we don't want none of that stuff to fall off. So that's what we're doing right now. Then we're gonna put all the pieces on there. We're gonna do the brake lines, you know what I'm saying? Fill the brakes up with fluid. And then we're gonna put the plastics back on there. And then all we gotta do is wait for the controller and the motor, and we're gonna give it a rip, and we're gonna see if we can hit them high speeds, 60 miles per hour or plus. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to wait to get the motor that I want, because the motor that I want the, I think it's called a QS120. That's what I want, but I can't really find it nowhere. Like the place that I want to get it from an Electro Co, they sold out, you know? So the only one that they have that's, you know what I'm saying, just as good is the one. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking about getting the one if I can't get the QS 120. So I'm gonna get the one with the whole package deal, and we're gonna shoot that on there, and then we're gonna see how it rip. So hopefully everything just goes smooth, everything just bolt on perfectly, and then, you know what I'm saying, we be able to just ride it right away. You know what I'm saying? That's everything put together on there. That's how it's gonna look, and that's how it look without the plastics. All right, we be back.